Although it doesn't compete directly with major manufacturers like Michelin, Bridgestone, and Goodyear, LEGO is still the world's largest tire maker, at least in terms of volume, not size. According to Guinness World Records, LEGO has been pumping out about 306 million rubber tires each year since 2006. The company peaked in 2010 when the total reached 381 million tires, way more than the nearly 200 million tires Michelin produced in 2024. Like its full-size tire-making peers, LEGO is also concerned with sustainability. And that's why the Danish toy giant said it's turning to recycled materials for its tire production. It will be using a material that's created by repurposing discarded ropes and nets from ocean vessels and then combining them with recycled engine oil. LEGO said the new material will first show up in 7 of its different tire pieces, with each containing at least 30% recycled material. The recycled material tires are already showing up in products, and the company said it expects them to be used in about 120 different sets by the end of 2025. Tires made from recycled fishing nets is just one brick in LEGO's build towards sustainability. Since 2018, the company has used a plastic made from Brazilian sugarcane for some LEGO elements like minifigure accessories and botanical pieces. More than half of the sets produced by the company contain at least one component made from this material. Beginning last year, LEGO started incorporating a material derived from artificial marble, like the stuff used in countertops, into its transparent elements including lightsabers and windows. The company said that once it fully transitions to the material, it will feature in more than 85% of its sets. LEGO has also worked with its peers to buy e-methanol, a material produced by blending renewable energy with CO2 from bio-waste, which it will use for certain parts in the near future. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.